Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are to consider how to simplify fractions. We have a simplify 5 divided by 8 of 2 and 1 over 2 minus 3 divided by 4 divided by 3 divided by 5. Now here, I put down a solution and I come down with a question down here. Now, the first thing you need to consider of in mathematics simply means multiplication. Then as such, we are going to represent of by a multiplication sign, and you are going to have here 5 over 8 multiplied by here. We are going to change this to improper fraction. Now we have here 2 multiplied by 2, that give us 4, plus 1 here, that give us 5 divided by 2, then minus 3 divided by 4, then divided by 3 divided by 5. Now what we are going to do, we're going to group these fractions into two parts now. We're going to group this and group this together. And the first thing, I'm going to first of all simplify this. Then here we do that multiplication here. 5 times 5, that will give you 25 divided by 8 times 2, that gives you 16. Then here you bring down your minus sign. Here this division, we can change this to multiplication and take the inverse of one of the fractions. Now this will give us 3 over 4. Change this to multiplication sign, then we reverse this fraction here, that will become 5 divided by 3. Now still enclose this in bracket, then we come down here, that 25 divided by 16, you multiply this out again, and we have 3 multiplied 5, that gives us 15, then 4 multiplied by 3, that gives us 12. Here we can still reduce this to the lowest form. Now I come down here, we have 25 divided by 16, then minus 3 would go into 15 and also to 12. Then you're going to divide both the numerator and the denominator by 3. Then we have a 15 divided by 3, that will give us 5. Then 12 divided by 4, 2 divided by 3, that will give us 4. Then now we simplify it further. Here in the denominator, the LCM is 4, the LCM is 16. Then we divide everything here by 16. Come down here, 16 into 16 will give us 1. Then 1 multiplied by 25, that will give us 25, minus 16, 4 into 16, that will give us 4. Then 4 multiplied by 5, that will give us 20 here. Then we have 25 minus 20, that will give us 5. And we have a 5 divided by 16. This is the simplified form of this fractional expression here on the board. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solutions. See you in the next video.